Okay. Sabi po ni Senate President Pro Temp Senator Ping Lacson in one of his interviews mentioned that you were in the Senate premises on August 19. Tama po ba?
I was there, Your Honor.
You were
Yes, Your
here.
Honor. Yes po, Your
Ano po
Honor.
ginagawa niyo rito?
I was invited to do an ocular of the supposed project po na dapat gagawin ko po sa office ng isa pong senator.
Sino po?
Uh,
Pwede ba malaman kung
Your Honor, if I may, it was already stated in the affidavit po that
alright.
I have submitted. And with due respect, sana po not to name na lang po
No,
the
no, no.
good senator because he's not really involved naman po in
Yes, I
any of
know.
this.
I know that Senator. I vouch for his credibility and
Opo.
integrity also. So, yung ba ang unang pagkakataon mo na pumunta kay rito sa Senado?
Nagpupunta na po ako dito in the past, Your Honor.
In the past, ano
Opo.
ginagawa niya in the past dito?
Matagal na po yon nung senator pa po yung ninong ko, si Joker Arroyo. Kasi po bumibisita po ako sa kanya and yung mga kaibigan ko po sa Broome.
So, sino-sino yung mga pinupunta
Senator
niyo?
Jinggoy, in fairness to all the senators, not only those present here, I would suggest that Ms. Jose or Mrs. Jose should identify kung kaninong office siya nagpunta.
Okay. Senator Erwin Tulfo po.
Ano po naging sadya niyo sa office niya?
Meron po kasing problem yung terrace ni Senator Erwin na binabaha po siya lalo po pag umuulan. So ako po yung na-refer na contractor nung staff niya na kung pwede po tingnan namin gawa ng solusyon and mag-suggest po kami sa kanya.
Yes, Mr.
With
Chair.
the permission of Senator Estrada,
With the permission of
his name
Senator.
has been mentioned. I think we owe it to him. No?
Mr. Chair, the only time that I learned of the Double J construction was through a staff of mine na recommended me this group to fix my veranda on the 5th floor, Mr. Chair. But when upon learning her name was mentioned by Engineer Bryce, we immediately requested to cancel all contracts with WJ, where I specifically ordered to terminate our office refurbishment project with WJ. And also, that was on September 9, Mr. Chair. And then on September 11, I issued another memo asking for an incident report to all concerned employees, specifically the friend of the Double J Construction, Mina Jose. And on September 18, I passed an internal policy for gate pass and visitors pass requests na wala po muna kami natanggapin ng mga bisita because of that. Mr. Chair, this representation is willing to submit all the documents. The memo stated dated September 9, memo September 11, memo September 18, and of course the drawing submitted by Ms. Mina Jose for the refurbishment of my veranda on the 5th floor. Also, some contracts we're willing to submit for in this committee, Mr. Chair.